Hey guys, Patrick Guilfoyle here. I wanted to show you a little tool that I use that will help organize your inbox. It's called Gmail Filters. Um, wanted to make this clip for you. It doesn't need to be long enough to be a full Savannah chat, so we'll just call it a clip. What I'm going to do today is show you how to help organize your inbox a little bit better. For example, this is my a new email address I just made. This is not my primary that I've let run in Atlanta sales for a couple of days and gather some of the emails that go to that. And it's got good relevant information, Eric, Patrick, Joanna, etc. But also has my automated reports coming in, and I've already deleted them. But some of like the magazine and articles we get that may not be that relevant to you, but is still subscribed to Atlanta sales. So I'm going to help you organize your inbox. What we're going to do is make a Gmail filter, and the main thing I'm going to do today is show you how to take your automated reports and your auto sender, get them out of your primary inbox because you don't really need notifications when those show up, and instead sort them into one of your updates folders so you have access. You don't see them, you don't get notifications when they show up, but you have access to them still. So what we're going to do, click our settings up here. Actually, we don't need to click our settings. That's later. Well, no, we do need to click our settings because we need to make sure your promotion social. If you have these upper tabs, promotion social updates, if those aren't turned on, here's how you turn them on. You go to your settings, you scroll down to your inbox type. You're probably on a default inbox. You might want to see if these other inboxes make sense for you, but I bet you're comfortable with default. Click customize and it pops up this tab where you are able to turn on or turn off these different tabs, which is helpful because we can use filters to sort emails to go automatically into those tabs. So I'm going to put our automated reports emails, this one right here, copy the address, and I'm going to put them into the updates tab. And here's how I'm going to do it. So click this little, it seems like a show search options button. We're going to do from automated reports. We're going to press create filter. Mark as read so we don't get a notification when it shows up, and categorize as updates. Those two simple things. If we do that, what it's going to do is take all of my automated reports that come in from now on, put put them as read so I don't get a notification, and put them into the updates so it doesn't uh, clog up my primary inbox where my correspondence from my clients and management should be coming in. So here's what that looks like. Your automated reports will all come in through your updates when you need your sales rep daily, when you need your customer cuts or receiving report, you have it here. It's not clogging your inbox. A second one I like to do is auto sender, which I don't get auto sender in that email address. So let me go find it. I'm gonna copy the auto sender in uh, one and make that one. So same thing again. We click this button up on the search button, search feature, auto sender at Encompass, create filter, mark as read, and categorize as updates. So now all my auto sender will go into updates as well. Very straightforward, helps keep your inbox clean. There's some other things we can do when we get some of these maybe spam messages. You can block those, or you get some of the other random stuff. If you don't want them in your inbox, there's using the same feature, you can sort them out. Very, very straightforward. If we don't like what we just did, if we create a filter and we don't like how it looks, here's how you get to those. Go back to that settings cog, see all settings, and on the top row here, you see filters and blocked addresses. Here are the two filters we made. We could very simply delete them. But these two work really beautifully. If you'd like to try those, I've tested them. They work exactly as I said. You won't, you know, it won't screw anything up. You won't lose correspondence, which is something that is a risk if you make a filter and it's overcomplicated and it may start sorting stuff you didn't intend for it to sort into different places. So you have to be a little careful with the filters. If you need help with them, I'm here to help. But these two are as simple as it gets. You can't mess them up if you do them just like that. But of course, we can go back and delete them. Some other options for filters, just in case you want to see some. Here's my primary inbox. So I'll go to some of my other filters. I also use labels because I'm a part of some different email addresses like renewals, hemp, new accounts. And so I have all of those going to sort it into these, which is quite helpful, or marketing reports, etc. Those are really helpful as well. It's just one extra step to make the label. And that's nice if you're getting different email addresses all funneling through your inbox, like if you're one of our category managers or DMs or whatever else. Cool, pretty straightforward. That's really all I wanted to show you. If you have any questions about these, let me know. If you need something custom, I'd be happy to make it for you or help you make it. It may not go perfectly the first time, but yeah, if you want to help organize your inbox, go ahead and slap in those two filters, and it'll look good. I promise. It'll be It was helpful for me. That's all I got. Once again, reach out to me if you need any help, and we'll see you later.